Hi everyone, T and I are in Atlanta and we're going to show you the next bartender selection. It's going to be a variation of a Long Island iced tea, and we're going to call this a tropical island iced tea because we're going to put some pineapple in there. And we're going to put a float of Myers rum instead of the float of Coke you usually see. Let's talk about what the other spirits are going to be. We're flipping over the menu September 1st, so a couple of these are no longer going to be on the menu, actually 3 of them. So I did a drink that will help us move through some of this product, but it has a backup in case we run through this product. So this drink is going to be a half an ounce of gin, half an ounce of rum, and half an ounce of tequila, and then a half ounce float of Myers at the very end. If you run out of the Fifth Street, then you're going to go ahead and use the Ford's gin, which is up next as our premium gin. If you run out of the El Tesoro, you'll move into the Milagro, and it's going to use either the Bacardi or the Plantation. If you still have the Plantation complimentary rum on hand, you use that. All right, let's go ahead and get started. This drink is made in an all-purpose glass. You're going to roll it, or you can stir it. We'll go both ways. So you fill the glass with ice, and you fill it all the way to the top, like we always do when we roll, because the ice settles. All right, then we measure half an ounce of gin. And I love the Fifth Street in here because it is, as you remember, a pineapple gin, so it's really perfect for this drink. But if you have to use the Ford's, that's fine too. Then we're going to do the tequila with El Tesoro, half an ounce. Please make sure that you measure accurately because this drink is going to be a little on the strong side, and they go down easy, as you know. That's the beauty of them, is they oddly don't taste like alcohol, yes. Even though you got a lot in there. Half an ounce of rum, and then 2 ounces of our pineapple sour batch. And that batch is 3 parts house sour, 1 part pineapple real. So it's going to be 2 ounces. And then we put in the ginger ale. So you pretty much top it with ginger ale. But you got to leave room for the float. There we go. Now you can look at this drink and know it's not going to taste balanced. So you have 2 choices here. You can either stir it from the bottom with a bar spoon, or you can roll it. I love rolling because it's so fast. You do it one time and you're done. Now you can see the drink is uniform in color, so it's going to be uniform in flavor. We're going to put a little more ice on here first, and then we'll float the half ounce of rum. Just a couple more cubes. There we go. That's perfect. Measure your rum the first time, and then if you want to float a half an ounce free pouring, that's fine with me too. It's just a little bit on the top. It's supposed to look like the Coke or a Dark and Stormy, and it gets a lemon wedge on the side of the glass, if you can. A tropical island iced tea.
Cheers.
Those are going to be popular.
Yes.